Do you want to get cash back for everyday purchases without having to input your credit card info? You can get money from making qualifying purchases on gas and from other retailers with GetUpside. I'm Beth from Team Clark, and I tested GetUpside to see if it's easy to get money back with this app. The GetUpside app gives you money for making participating purchases. While this app focuses mostly on gas and some food retailers, GetUpside continues to test and expand their selection. And in some areas, there are even participating grocery stores. You can see if there are participating retailers near you at getupside.com/locations. Here's how you can get cash back with GetUpside. First, download the GetUpside app and create an account. You'll need to do this on a mobile device. You'll probably want to do it on your phone so that you can scan your receipts when you're on the go. Then, find cashback retailers in your area by searching the map on the main page of the app. You can look through gas, groceries, food, and free gas deals. Free gas is GetUpside's referral program. You can get 1 cent per gallon on every gallon your friend buys, plus a one-time 15 cents per gallon bonus. My area does not have restaurant and food offers yet, but there are plenty of qualifying gas stations around. I fill up about 3 times a month, so that's a few bucks in my pocket every time I buy something I need. Now, just pick an offer to claim. You'll want to claim offers just before you make your purchase, because GetUpside puts a several-hour timer on your claimed offer. I chose a convenient gas station that offers me 12 cents per gallon cash back. Remember that you'll want to comparison shop against other local businesses to make sure you're getting the best price. For example, if there's a gas station with prices 20 cents lower than one on GetUpside only offering 12 cents back, you'll still be better off going to the cheaper gas station. Keeping the total price in mind will be better for your wallet every time. If you see a deal that's worth it, click the claim button to activate an offer and start the timer. You can see which active claimed offers you have by going to the menu in the upper left-hand corner and clicking Claimed Offers. This list also tells you how long you have to finish each offer. The next step is to complete your purchase in the time frame GetUpside gives you. You must pay with a credit card in order for your purchase to qualify for cash back. If you don't think you'll be able to complete the offer in time, you can click Unclaim on the offer page. If you do buy something to complete it, scan the receipt by clicking Upload Receipt within the offer. Take a picture of the entire receipt and wait for GetUpside to scan it in. Once it's done, a checklist pops up to tell you if it was able to read all of the information it needed from your receipt. Then, just wait for the cash back to show up in your account. GetUpside says it takes between a few hours and a day to process this information. My cashback showed up in my account in about 5 hours, and they sent me an email to notify me that money had been added to my account. You can cash out by going to the menu and clicking Cash Out and selecting the type of digital gift card or cash method you'd like to receive. You do need a minimum of $1 in order to cash out anything from your account. Digital gift cards are only available in set amounts, so you have to have earned that amount of cash back in order to get a gift card. For cash payments via PayPal or check, a $1 service fee is charged unless you meet a minimum. The minimum fee-free cash out is $15 or more for PayPal and $50 or more for a check. You can also eliminate this fee by referring a friend to GetUpside. I thought the cashback process with GetUpside was extremely easy. The app lays out simple steps for you to earn cash back on purchases that you're already making. It also makes it pretty easy to cash out your earnings. Have you used GetUpside or another cashback program? Tell us about it in the comments below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch some of our other videos to learn how you can get extra cash and find more ways to make money at clark.com.